Hey everyone! We realized that with the recent posting of our finale to our Alaska to Mexico series, many of you might be thinking, we're done making YouTube videos.
Well, rest assured, we're far from finished. Living full-time on the road means that the end of one adventure is simply the beginning of another.
To let you all in on a little secret, I'm kind of OCD when it comes to editing video. Editing our Alaska to Mexico series took me anywhere from an hour and a half to 2 hours per minute produced every single week.
Which is why I suggested to Mandy that we need a way to connect with people more often, even if only for a few minutes at a time.
So we're changing up a few things. In addition to the same great photography, full-time RV living, and outdoor lifestyle content you've come to expect from us, we're going to add more short videos about our random shenanigans, FAQs from viewers like you, and I guess just whatever else we feel like talking about.
And on that note, I guess we should talk about what we've been up to since returning to the US.
So, after an amazing journey in Mexico, we safely crossed the border at the Columbia International Bridge and made our way to Austin, where the real world, unfortunately, waited for us. We barely had time to catch our breaths before hopping a flight to Salt Lake City to attend the RVX show, where we met up with New Camp and made a few new product videos.
Before our spring photo workshop season kicked off, we had one big change in mind. We decided it was finally time to treat ourselves to the truck we've been dreaming of. A 2019 four-wheel drive, dual cab, Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road with a long bed and a topper.
Then it was off to Big Bend for our first 2 photography workshops of 2019. Spring is always a beautiful time of year in Big Bend, and we loved showing a new and enthusiastic group of students around this amazing park. And lucky for us, it was the best year of blooms we've ever seen.
Next, it was off to Garner State Park in Central Texas for a workshop put on by Precision Camera, where we combined 2 of our favorite things, camping and photography.
Then, with our 2 days off, we hopped into the Tacoma and we booked it over 1,200 miles to Tennessee, where we co-instructed a workshop in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park with our friends Brett and April of F32 Photo. We always love spring in the Smokies. It gives us the chance to shoot one of our favorite subjects, waterfalls, and to practice macro photography on the beautiful wildflowers.
And all of that brings us to right here, in Caryville, Tennessee. We've been at our friends Joe and Kelly's house, taking a few days to reset and get some work done before hitting the road to Florida for our 5th photo event in 6 weeks.
Where I'm excited to be sponsored by Nikon as an instructor at the Florida Birding and Photo Fest. I'm exhausted just thinking about everything we've done since we crossed the border. Thank you all so much for following along with us, and keep your eye out for the next recap episode, which we have deemed our Roadlife Rundown. Also keep an eye out for the first of our FAQ segment, where we answer questions from viewers like you. To make sure you don't miss any episodes or blogs, subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook or Instagram at Mandy Lee Photo. Love and light! All right, ready?